Welcome to Hairstyle World TV. In today's video, I'm going to showcase this beautiful new trending 2026/2027 hairstyle for you. You can see this one is giving the vibe it's supposed to give. Very, very neat, beautiful, and wear packed. This hairstyle is a new design. If you are waiting for a hairstyle that you can make this season, this video is for you. Stay and watch it to the end because the last one on the list is the new most trending one right now that people do not even know about. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, like and comment where you are watching me from, guys. This video you'll be seeing tutorial on how to get your perfect braid cornrow hairstyle. Very, very neat, beautiful, and wear style, guys. Give this video, rate it from the beginning 1 to 10 for me. If the hairstyle is worth 10 over 10, rate it on the comment section, guys. Let's go.